So now let me show you how to perform for task 18P given in the textbook. You'll open the file task number 18N and create a new field which is called as profit. Here the profit has to be calculated subtracting sales price from the purchase price and calculating percentage by dividing the profit by the sales price. So taking up these two fields, I'll have to calculate during the runtime. I'll go to the database. I'll open I'll open the task 18N. So this is the task thing. So this is task number 18, N of mine. Now I'll go to create. I'll go to the query wizard, click on simple query, go to the next option, select the entire table, that is TBL car, select all the fields, move to the next, click on detail itself, go to the next. Now giving the name as another, that is task 18P. Modifying the query design, clicking on finish. I'll close what is not needed here. Now here you can see task 18P. If you see the design view of it, right click design view, scroll towards the end, that is after P date. I have to add one more field called as profit. So you write profit, but as it says it has to be calculated during runtime, hence we use a colon symbol which is 2 dots and insert the information using a square bracket stating S price. The name should be as you have given in this table. Now minus P price and close the square bracket. Similar manner, use a check sign here. Unless you do the check, it will not be reflected in the report when you check. Again, percent, you'll use a colon sign, write profit, use the same name so that it's easy for you to understand where you are doing it. And using a division sign, you use a / for providing a division sign and using a check sign there. Now I'll just open this. So when you scroll toward the other side, you can see the profit is calculated. As it was mentioned, just to make you understand, selling price minus the product price, 20,000 minus 18,000 gives you 2305. Now percentage, as you can see, it is reflecting. When I click, it is reflecting. But later on, when I move my mouse somewhere else, it is hashes. You just have to extend this so that you can see the percentage properly. Just save the database as 18P. Now I'll continue with the next task in the same question. So I'll open my textbook so that I can guide you with the next question given below. It says task number 18Q. Now for the same file itself, you need to select some information which says Audi, BMW or Mercedes. Here you are going to create a summary of the information and extract few data like sum, average, number of the stock. Also it says sort the data in the descending order of the average sales price. So in this same database itself, I'll create another query for the same. So I'll read the question again. Only names made by Audi, BMW or Mercedes. So let me create another query for this table. We'll go again to the query wizard. Clicking OK, selecting the table. Now when I select the tables, now I don't need the entire information from the same. What are the information which is needed is sales price that you could see and the names of the car which has been there. So let me take name. I don't want a model. I'll not select the model further. As mentioned, we'll select name. The make command, and now I'll select the P price. That's required. Again, going to the question, it needs a selling price too. So let me take up selling price itself instead of taking a P price. So I'll remove this and I'll take the selling price which is there. Now, I don't need all of them. Hold on. I'll just take what is needed, make and selling price. So you have two right now from the table, that is make and the selling price. When I move to the next, now instead of using a detail, as the question says, we are going to create a summary report of it. So I'll just select the same thing. Click on summary. Now go to the summary option. Now you can see these are the options coming across for the selling price. Sum, average, mean. That's what the question has asked you to do. Calculate sum, average, mean is not asked, so you'll not select mean, and the number of cars in the stock. So I'll select sum, average, and here you can see it shows you the total count. So select this and click OK. Again, move to the next. Now this I am giving it as task 18P. Oh, sorry, Q. Task 18Q. Modify the query design. Click on finish. You can see the expressions which has been calculated. These are few of them which is already taken across. Now just reading the question again. It says the car has to be made by Audi, BMW or Mercedes. So I'm just taking this information and putting here as a criteria. So you'll write Audi or BMW or Mercedes. So if you do not fit this information, data that you will be saving will not be appropriate. Again, one more thing it says, it also has to calculate, sorry, where did it go? Yeah, I'll just bring up, yeah. It should also calculate the data in the descending order of the average sales price. So that can also be done. Just to show you how you can do it, I'll just open this first. Sorry, 18Q. And close P, which is not needed. You can see it's already there. Now when you click on this drop down, you can get the information largest to smallest, smallest to largest. As it mentioned, descending, you'll select sort largest to smallest. And save this database. That's it. Your task 18Q is completed.